figured out why it wasn't running. I guess you have to recompile the USB boot, which they have a zip file in they have a zip file of the source code for boot USB in the factory image directory. I deleted mine, but it's one in there. And if it's not, you can download it from the website, which is what I did when I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it. And all you have to do is open the make file and add LD flags to the boot directory or boot executable command. And the LDF should be defined as LUSB, which is the libusb package that you downloaded earlier. And yes, I could run it. Kind of already did it. Open the terminal. This was boot USB. So once I change that, just run make. I already made it. Okay, so run make. And once that's done, if it's not in the factory image, you just copy that and move it to the factory images. And now I should be able to run this. Again, you just add this to where boot USB is going to be built, which in the boot USB download was here. Okay, now I can follow the instructions. Going back to the instructions, connect the board, go to the factory image directory, open mini.com in the wrap line mode, and another terminal should be where I'm running the boot USB script or executable. So I'm going to turn turn the mini2440 on. Okay, and it's switched to the NOR mode or NAND. Let's see which tab I'm on. Yep, it should be on NOR. NOR should be press D, and it's waiting for a download. Go to the other terminal where you're in the factory image directory, and as root run the boot USB that you just built, which for me was this one. Boot. Okay. guess since I have the image already, if you didn't have an image on here, it would go directly to the uboot command or uboot prompt, which is this. So after loading the uboot, it would normally go here, but I have the image on here already, so it ran it. The next step is to NAND scrub. Yes. Y enter. The next command is NAND create BBT, which is create bad block table. Again, Y enter. This step could take a while, says the Linux for Embedded in Real-Time Applications book. And after this is done, you run the script, or you're supposed to run the script set mini boot, but it doesn't work for me, which I'll try running it, but show that it doesn't work, I guess. Still creating the table. I guess I could pause until it's done. Okay, it's done. And the next step is to Control A, G, and I'm supposed to type C, and then set mini boot. Hit enter twice. Okay, this pretty much is gonna time out and not work. So I guess I could try just to make sure that it's not the firewall. Recount exceeded, try it again. And now, yep, there's no such file as mini boot scr. And to try to solve that, maybe I have to actually put that in the TFTP boot directory, so I'll try that. And I need to maybe put this in TFTP boot, because that's where the TFTP server is looking for the files. So TFTP boot. Okay, now that that file's there, let's try G, running this script again. network. So I guess you just have to put the script in TFTP boot. But I'm pretty sure I've done this before and it didn't work, but well, I guess it works. It's better than typing it in manually too. And this takes a little bit of time, so I'll pause. Okay, so mini boot script is running. And again, I had to copy that from the factory image directory to the directory where your TFTP server is looking for transfer files. In mine, it's varlib tftp boot. Okay, now the script is done running. Final steps. Then switch to NAND. And it should boot. The password, there's no password, but the login is root. And there's your network file systems directory. Now, and there was an issue with this step because we used the factory image in the root directory from the embedded Linux CD. Qt is not enabled by default. Pretty much to enable it, we have to edit script. And since it's a network file system, that's pretty easy to do. Just go here, target file system, and we have to find it, which is located etc rcde init. RCS, and you can't edit this in this, oh you can. Go down to comment or leave these commented out. I also need to comment out this. Is this trying to change the loop? It should be already this anyway. You can leave it commented if you want, actually. Because actually, if it's not, then make it that. You just initially this was commented. All this was commented. So to start QT, just uncomment these and save. And that is it.